Hello and welcome to Drishti PCS. I'm Aisha, and in this episode of Target MPPSC 2024, we will be discussing about the topic of awards, authors and sports. So let's begin. So first, every year the Directorate of Culture Madhya Pradesh gives honor at the national and state level in various genres of art, culture, literature and music. So first of all, we will be discussing about the national honors. First is the National Mahatma Gandhi Award. It was established in the year 1995 and the field is Gandhian philosophy, and it is given for the organization, and the amount that is given is rupees 20 lakh, but this 20 lakh rupees has been announced from the year 2022. Before 2022 the amount was less, it was not 20 lakh rupees. So the winner for the year 2021 was, and the 2021 awards were given in the year 2022. So they were announced in the year 2022. So the winner was Gramin Vikas Vigyan Samiti, Jodhpur. Next, National Kabir Award. It was established in the year 1986 and the field was for poetry in Indian languages. The amount was rupees 5 lakh and the winner was Dr. Shyam Sundar Dubey, and the amount that he received was rupees 3 lakh, because amount increased after 2022 and this award was of 2021. Next, National Tansen Award, established in the year 1980, field Hindustani classical music. On amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Pandit Nityanand of Haldipur. Then National Kalidas Samman, established in the year 1983, field is classical music and the honor amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2020 was Pandit Bhajan Sopori. Next, National Kalidas Award, that is Rupankar Art. It was established in the year 1981. The field is classical dance. Amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Anil Kumar from Bhopal. Next is National Kalidas Award, establishment year 1982, field theatre work. Amount rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is for the play Prashant Khirwadkar from Bhopal. Then National Kalidas Samman for classical dance, establishment year 1983, field is classical dance and the amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Pandit Sridhar Vyas from Ujjain. Next, National Tulsi Award, establishment year 1983, field is for tribal, folk and traditional arts, male artist, that is for 2 years for performing and 1 year for figurative arts. So this is given for tribal, folk and traditional arts. Amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Kaluram Bamania. Next, National Goddess Ahilya Samman, establishment year 1996, field for tribal, folk and tribal arts. Amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Sanjo Baghel. Next, National Lata Mangeshkar Award, establishment year 1984, field music direction and playback singing. The amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Shri Kumar Shanu. Next is National Iqbal Award, establishment year 1986, field Urdu literature. Amount is rupees 5 lakh. Winner for the year 2021 is Sayyid Taqi Abdi, rupees 2 lakh from Hyderabad. As rupees 2 lakh because the amount became 5 lakh after 2022. Next, National Maithili Sharan Gupt Award, establishment year 1987, field is Hindi literature. Amount is rupees 5 lakh and the winner for the year 2021 is Sadanand Gupta from Gorakhpur and the amount won was rupees 2 lakh. Then comes next, and that is National Kishore Kumar Award, establishment year 1997, field is acting, screenplay, songwriting and direction, and the amount is rupees 5 lakh, and the winner for 2021-22 was Vivek Ranjan Agnihotri, who's a director. Then we have National Sharad Joshi Award, establishment year 1992, field Hindi satire, fine essay, reports, diaries, letters, etc. Amount is rupees 5 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is Shriram Parihar, and the amount is rupees 2 lakh. Then next, that is National Poet Pradeep Samman, establishment year 2012, field for stage poetry, and the amount is rupees 5 lakh, and the winner for 2022 was Shri Guru Saxena. Then National Nanaji Deshmukh Award, establishment year 2012, field it is given for individual, men or women, and organization for social cultural harmony, upliftment, retirement, spirituality, tradition, society and development and culture, and the amount is rupees 5 lakh, while the winner for the year 2021 is Tribal Welfare Center Mahakaushal, and the amount won is rupees 2 lakh. Next, that is National Kumar Gandharv Award, establishment year 1992, field is young artist for singing, playing and dancing in the field of classical music, and the amount is rupees 2.51 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is Miss Rukmani Vijay Kumar from Hyderabad, and the amount won was 1.25 lakh, as the amount became 2.51 lakh after the year 2022. Next, National Raja Mansingh Tomar Award, establishment year 2011, field for an organization working in the preservation of music, culture and art. Amount is rupees 5 lakh, and the winner is for the year 2022 is Manav Folk Art Center from Ujjain. Then National Hindi Language Award, that is Rashtriya Hindi Seva Samman, establishment year 2015, field for contribution of non-Hindi speaking writers and literatures to the prosperity of Hindi through writing and creation. Amount is rupees 5 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is Ajit Wadnerkar from Bhopal, and the amount won was rupees 1 lakh. Then now comes the state level honor, that is given from the level of Madhya Pradesh. So state level Shikhar Samman Literature, establishment year 1980, field literature, amount is rupees 2 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is for Hindi literature Dr. Ashwini Kumar Dubey from Indore. Next, state level Shikhar Samman for arts, establishment year 1980, field is figurative arts, amount rupees 2 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is Anil Kumar from Bhopal for Rupankar Arts. Next, state level Shikhar Samman for dance, establishment year 2016, field is dance, amount is rupees 2 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is Professor Dr. Vijay Sharma. Next, state level Shikhar Samman for drama, establishment year 2016, field drama, amount rupees 2 lakh, winner for year 2021 is for the play Prashant Khilwadkar from Bhopal. Then comes state level Shikhar Samman Sanskrit, establishment year 2016, field Sanskrit, amount is rupees 2 lakh, and the winner for the year 2021 is Bhagwati Lal Rajpurohit. Then state level Shikhar Samman Urdu, establishment year 2016, field is Urdu, amount is rupees 2 lakh, winner for Urdu literature Dr. Narendra Virmani from Indore. Then state level Shikhar Samman in music, establishment year 2016, field is music, amount is rupees 2 lakh. Winner for the year 2021 is Pandit Sridhar Vyas from Ujjain. Then state level Shikhar Samman, rare musical instrument, establishment year 2016, field is rare musical instrument, amount is rupees 2 lakh. Winner for the year 2021 is Munne Khan from Bhopal. Next, state level Shikhar Samman, that is for tribal and folk art. Very important. Tribal and folk art, establishment year 2016, field tribal and folk art, amount is rupees 2 lakh. Winner for the year 2021 is Savni Bai from Dindori. Then comes the Bharat Ratna Awards. These are national awards. Bharat Ratna Award. So Bharat Ratna Award has been given to 5 people, and this is for the present year. That is Chaudhary Charan Singh, who was the former Prime Minister of India, P.V. Narasimha Rao, former Prime Minister of India, Karpuri Thakur, former Chief Minister of Bihar, Lal Krishna Advani, former Deputy Prime Minister of India, and Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who was an agricultural scientist. Next, diplomat, author and politician Shashi Tharoor has been given the prestigious France highest civilian honor, and this honor is the Knight of the Legion honor. So France highest civilian honor has been given to Shashi Tharoor, and the name of the honor is Knight of the Legion of Honor. Then Urdu poet and Bollywood personality Gulzar and the distinguished Sanskrit scholar and spiritual leader Jagadguru Rambhadracharya has been awarded the 58th edition of the Gyanpith Award. So 58th Gyanpith Award to Jagadguru Rambhadracharya and Gulzar. Then India was honored with the 9th GovTech Prize at the World Government Summit 2024, which was held in UAE, that is United Arab Emirates. Then the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation under the Union Water Ministry has honored Noida with the title of Water Warrior City. So Water Warrior City is Noida. The Government of India has recently unveiled the prestigious National Creators Award. So National Creators Award has been given recently, an initiative which is aimed at acknowledging and celebrating the remarkable contribution of new age influencers and creators. Then ISRO Chairman S. Somnath has been awarded with prestigious KPP Nambiar Award. So KPP Nambiar Award S. Somnath, and who is S. Somnath? ISRO Chairman. Then legendary sprinter and current president of the Indian Olympic Association. So the current president of the Indian Olympic Association is P.T. Usha, who has been honored with the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award by the Sports Journalist Federation of India and Delhi Sports Journalist Association, who are recognizing her extraordinary contribution. Then Dr. Beena Modi. So Dr. Beena Modi, the esteemed chairperson of Modi Enterprises, has been honored with the prestigious Outstanding Businesswoman of the Year Award. So Outstanding Businesswoman of the Year Award has been given to Dr. Beena Modi. Then former Chief Justice of India and current Rajya Sabha MP, that is Ranjan Gogoi, has been honored with the prestigious Assam Vaibhav Award, and Assam Vaibhav Award is the highest civilian award in Assam. Then Singapore's Changi Airport. So Changi Airport belongs to Singapore. So Singapore's Changi Airport has once again been crowned the world's best airport for the year 2023. So best airport for the year 2023 is Singapore Changi Airport. Then Bengaluru's Kempagoda International Airport. So Kempagoda International Airport is situated where in India? It is Bengaluru. Terminal 2 has achieved global acclaim, being recognized as one of the world's most beautiful airports. Then Professor B.R. Kamboj, Vice Chancellor of Chaudhary Charan Singh Haryana Agricultural University, has been bestowed with the prestigious M.S. Swaminathan Award? This is important. M.S. Swaminathan Award has been given to Professor B.R. Kamboj. Then Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize has named poet critic Sukrita Paul Kumar as its 6th recipient for her book Salt and Pepper Selected Poems. So Salt and Pepper, Sukrita Paul Kumar. Then Hindi writer Pushpa Bharti. Hindi writer Pushpa Bharti has been conferred the 33rd Vyas Samman 2023. So Vyas Samman 2023 has been given to Pushpa Bharti for Yadein Yadein or Yadein. Then renowned classical pianist Daniel Barenboim and Palestinian peace activist Ali Abu Awad, they have been jointly awarded Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for the year 2023. So Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2023 has been given to Daniel Barenboim and Ali Abu Awad. Then Dr. Ravi Kannan R from India got the Raman Magsaysay Award at the 65th edition of the event, and Raman Magsaysay Award is also known as the Nobel Prize of Asia. So this becomes important. Dr. Ravi Kannan R. 65th. Then comes the topic of important books and authors. So literature of Madhya Pradesh. So the writers of the ancient period. First we will be talking about the ancient period. So first is Mahakavi Kalidas. So he was the greatest Sanskrit scholar and poet and a part of the Navratna of Gupta king Chandragupta Vikramaditya. So Chandragupta Vikramaditya had Navratna in his court and one of them was Kalidas. Famous writings being Raghuvamsham, Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Meghdoot, Kumar Sambhava or etc. Then comes Banabhatta. He was the court poet of Harshvardhan. Famous work Harsha Charitra and Kadambari. Then comes Bhirthari. So that is Sanskrit scholar, grammarian and poet and is believed to have lived during the 5th century. Best known for his works in poetry, philosophy and grammar, particularly the Shataka Traya. Shataka Traya consisting of Niti Shataka, Shringar Sataka and Viragya Shataka. Then comes Bhavbhuti. Bhavbhuti was a renowned Sanskrit playwright and poet who lived in the 8th century. And he is considered to be one of the most prominent figures in classical Sanskrit literature. Famous works being Malati Madhava, Uttara Ramacharita and Mahavira Charita. Then comes the writers of the medieval period. Now it is about the medieval period. So Acharya Vidyanand, he was associated with the court of the kings of Malwa. His literary works encompassed a wide range of topics including Jain philosophy, ethics, poetry and grammar. Then Acharya Keshav, he was associated with the court of the Bundela king Maharaja Chhatrasal. Bundel king Maharaja Chhatrasal. Famous work Ratan Bhavani, Rasik Priya, Vigyan Geeta, Kavi Priya and Ramchandrika. Then about Bhushan. So he was a contemporary of Chhatrapati Shivaji and Raja Chhatrasal. Famous work Shiv Bharat, Chhatrasal Charit and Varsha Mela. Then comes Tansen. Tansen, also known as Mian Tansen, one of the most legendary figures in Indian classical music. He was born in 1493 in a town near Gwalior, which is in present day Madhya Pradesh. One of the most famous anecdotes about Tansen is his legendary rendition of the Rag Deepak. So Rag Deepak belongs to Tansen. That is also known as Megh Malhar. Then about the writers of modern times. First we looked at ancient, then medieval, now modern. Pandit Makhanlal Chaturvedi. He was a teacher and an active freedom fighter. He was also an editor of Prabha, Pratap and Karamveer magazines. Famous works include पुष्पा की अभिलाषा, हिम कीर्तनी, हिम तरंगिनी, साहित्य देवता, साहित्य वर्तमान. Then comes Pandit Harishankar Parsai. He was a renowned Hindi writer, satirist and humorist from Madhya Pradesh, India. Famous works include रानी नवगानी की कहानी, विकल्प, दुनिया का सबसे अनमोल रत्न एंड विभाजन. Then comes next, that is Sharad Joshi. Sharad Joshi was a renowned Hindi writer and satirist from Madhya Pradesh, India. Then he is celebrated for his satirical writings and humorously critiqued social norms, bureaucracy, politics and human behavior. Then his famous works can be Shaadi Ka Laddu and Chirkut. And he contributed to various Hindi magazines and newspapers including Saptahik Hindustan, Dharmayug and Sarika. Next, that is Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Prominent Hindu poetess and freedom fighter from Madhya Pradesh, India. Major works include Jhansi Ki Rani, Neelkant and Yama. Then comes Gajanand Madhav, also known as Mukti Bodh. Prominent Hindi poet, critic, essayist from Madhya Pradesh. Major works include Ghazal Ghar. Then comes Mulla Ramuji. Prominent Hindi writer and humorist from Madhya Pradesh. Major works include मुल्ला रामूजी के चुटकुले, मुल्ला रामूजी की हास्य व्यंग्य रचनाएं. Next, that is Shiv Mangal Singh, that is Suman. Renowned Hindi poet, writer, essayist from Madhya Pradesh. His poetry collections include नए युग में शत्रु, नौकरी का तराजू. These are considered modern classics of Indian or Hindi literature. Then Pandit Bhavani Prasad Mishra, that is highly esteemed Hindi poet, writer and literary figure from Madhya Pradesh, India. Famous works include Geet Ganga, Prem Pathik and Brahmaras. Then about sculpted stones, that is Mysteries of Mamallapuram. It is authored by Ashwini Prabhu. Then comes Dabbling in Diplomacy. Dabbling in Diplomacy is authored and otherwise recollections of a non-career diplomat. Then comes An Uncommon Love. An Uncommon Love, a early life of Sudha and Narayan Murthy. That is by Chitra Banerjee Dev Karuni. Then comes Gandhi, a life in 3 campaigns, M.J. Akbar and K. Natwar Singh. Then Sanskriti Ka Ayam. Sanskriti Ka Ayam is by prominent writer, that is Manorma Mishra. 4 Stars of Destiny, that is, it is an autobiography of General Manoj Mukund Narave, who was the former Chief of Army Staff. Then comes the Babri Masjid, Ram Masjid Dilemma, and this is by Madhav Godbole. Then comes the Breaking the Mold. Breaking the Mold is Reimagining India's Economic Future, Dr. Raghuram Rajan and Dr. Lohit Lamba. Then comes Zeba, Accidental Superhero by Huma Qureshi. Then Welcome to Paradise by Twinkle Khanna. Then Pranab, My Father by his daughter, that is Shramishta Mukherjee. The River Swing, that is by Ashok Tandon. Then Fire on the Ganges, Radhika Iyengar. The Book of Life by Vivek Agnihotri. Then Pitch Side by Amrit Mathur. Through the Broken Glass by T.N. Session, and this is an autobiography. Then Kargil by Rishi Raj, and Kargil is Ek Yatri Ki Zubani. Then comes Monsoon, a poem of love and longing by diplomat Abhay Kumar. Then about the Sports. Now about the sports section. Sports in Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh participates in various sports. So let's begin. Snooker, which is one of the most popular games, owes its origin to Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. So snooker origin took place in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, and state has its own cricket team which participates in the Santosh Trophy and otherwise also. Now sports awards in Madhya Pradesh, that is, first is Eklavya Award, given to junior players to motivate them to achieve more success in the future, and many people were selected for the Eklavya Award. Then comes the Vikram Award. It is given to the senior players of the state. These are the name of the players. So there are many players there. Then Vishwamitra Award, and Vishwamitra Award is given to those coaches who have trained the players, and these players have won a minimum of 2 gold or 4 silver or 4 bronze medals in the last 5 years in any national event. And this time it has been given to Bhopal's badminton coach, that is Rashmi Malviya, for the year 2022. Lifetime Achievement Award, it is given for distinguished contribution in development of the sports, and it has been given to Anil Dhupar for tennis for the year 2022. Then latest achievements, that is Khelo MP Youth Games. Khelo MP Youth Games, so it took place in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, and Indore district played excellent performance and received the overall championship trophy. It was organized in 313 development blocks of all 52 districts of the state. Then comes the 4th NTPC National Ranking Archer Tournament 2023. It was held in Bolpur, West Bengal. Then 4th Khelo India University Game 2023 took place in Assam, and Madhya Pradesh athletes won 2 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals. Then 34th Sub-Junior, Junior and 2nd National Wrestling Competition, it was held in Haryana, and players from MP, that is from Ujjain, Chhatarpur and Bhopal, they won around 11 medals. Then Kapil Parmar. Kapil Parmar is a blind judo player from Madhya Pradesh State Judo Academy who has won a gold medal in the IBAS Judo Grand Prix Antalya, which was held in Turkey. Then the Beach Games 2024. So Madhya Pradesh clinched the championship title. So the Beach Games 2024, Madhya Pradesh has won the title. Khelo India Para Games. So Haryana emerged as the first ever champion with a total of 105 medals. Uttar Pradesh finished second. Tamil Nadu finished third. Then World Cup, that is cricket. So Australia won the World Cup for the 6th time by defeating India. Then Asian Archery Championship 2023, India won a total of 7 medals, including 3 gold, 1 silver and 3 bronze. Then 37th National Games, which was held in Goa. Then FIDE Women's Grand Swiss 2023, Vaishali won the FIDE Women's Grand Swiss 2023. First Indian to win the Grand Swiss. Then comes Asian Para Games. Asian Para Games, India finished 5th in the medal tally, and China from 22 to 28 October it was held in. Then Asia Cup title. So India won the Asia Cup title. Then comes Virat Kohli, Indian cricketer who overtook Sachin Tendulkar record by becoming the fastest to score 30,000 runs in an ODI. Then next, US Open 2023. So US Open 2023 was played for 2023. Serbian tennis star Novak Djokovic won, and he defeated Russia's Daniil Medvedev. And with this, the Novak Djokovic won his 24th Grand Slam title. Then comes the Durand Cup 2023. So Mohun Bagan registered a 1-0 win over East Bengal in the final held at the Kolkata. Then Asian Championship Trophy 2023, India won the 4th title. Then South Asian Football Federation Championship 2023, India marked a remarkable victory held in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Then Wimbledon title. So Wimbledon title was won by Carlos Alcaraz, who belongs to France, and he defeated Serbia's Novak Djokovic. Then Indian hockey team midfielder Hardik Singh, he has clinched the prestigious title of Men's FIH Player of the Year. Then former Indian captain and head coach Ravi Shastri has been awarded the prestigious Colonel C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award. So C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award has been given to Ravi Shastri. So this was about the awards, authors and sports personalities which will be important for your examination and which will be asked in your examination. So I hope you have a fruitful session, and do keep on revising all these things so that you get along with the preparation well for the preliminary examination which is scheduled to take place in June. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।